Hello friends, I am Dr. Sutar from Sanjivani College of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, working as the head of the department and associate professor. Friends, today we are going to see a subject that is a herbal drug technology. In this one subject, we are going to study the traditional dosage forms are there. Okay, and in this case, liquid dosage form, their preparation and standardization. This one topic is there that we are going to discuss. So, friends, what do you mean by liquid dosage form? Liquid dosage forms is nothing but that dosage form is in a liquid nature. Okay, so you can measure by utilizing a spoon or the measuring device are there by utilizing that one you are going to measure. So what type of the liquid dosage forms are there? So these are nothing but your Asava, Arista, Taila, Dravaka. Likewise, these are the dosage forms are there. So which we have to be prepared in case of the Ayurvedic formulations. Okay, so how first one we are going to discuss regarding that one Asava. So Asava is nothing but these are the liquid Ayurvedic preparation which is to be prepared by a process of the fermentation. Fermenting agents are there that are to be added in case of that one. So because of the fermentation, the drug is to be reacted with this one. With each other or by the process of the fermentation, there's a alcohol is there is to be released, and that alcohol is utilized for the extraction purpose as a preservative. So friends, in case of this one, firstly we are going to take the drug. Okay, then water, sugar, honey, they are to be boiled separately, then they are to be cool, then pour that in a fermented vessel. Just like that earthen vessel is there that we have to be utilized for that one preparation. So we have to take that one earthen vessel, and in that one we are going to pour that one your mixture, that is a water, sugar, jaggery, honey, which is boiled and cooled. After that one we are going to add a fine powder of the drug. Here I am going to show you a green color because this is the one differentiation point between the Asava and Arista. In case of the Asava, we are going to add a powder drug. Fine powder drug is there should be added. Then the pot is there should be sealed. Okay. By what is the lead is there that should be kept, then that lead is there should be covered by a mud cloth which should be covered 6 to 7 layer, and that mud that pot which is a closed one that should be kept in a soil, and that pot is there should be covered by utilizing a grass, because of which what is the temperature is there should be maintained in the system, or what is the pot is there in that one there is a uniformity in the temperature is maintained. You have to be keep it aside for the several days. Okay, near about 15 to 20 days or 30 to 40 days, that the time period is there depends upon the nature of the drug or the asava which you have to be prepared. After that one, after the completion of the time period, just you have to be open that one lid, take the smell of the alcohol. If the alcohol fragrance is there, that indicate that the fermentation process is completed. Then remove that one particular earthen vessel, decant and filtered. Okay, after filtration, boil that one. Because of the boiling, what are the fermenting agents are there that are get killed, and then you have to pack that one in a bottle. So this is the simple method of the preparation of the asava. Second one method is there. Yes, so these are the flowers are there, that is a woodfordia fruticosa, that is the one in Marathi that is known as a dhatukiची फुलं असं त्याला म्हणतात. So these are there that are to be used as a fermenting agents. Okay, second one is there, that is a arista. So friends, if you have any doubt, we are in the next one slide. I am going to clear your all the doubts. The process is there should be same. Only the difference is there in case of the arista. Instead of the drug powder, we are going to use the decoction. Decoction means what? What is the drug is there should be soak in a overnight in a water, and that one drug is there should be filter, and what is the filtrate is there that are to be utilized, and the remaining process is same as that of your asava is there. Means what is the water, sugar, jaggery, honey, they are to be boiled, then cooled, then pour into the fermented vessel, and the In case of that, what is the decoction of the drug is added? Then seal the pot by utilizing the mud, 7 consecutive layers. Allow you to keep for fermentation. Okay, keep in a soil covered with the grass. Okay, to settle the particulate matter, decant the fluid, filter, boil to avoid the further fermentation process. Likewise, so friends, we are going to see here the differentiation between this one. As I told you that take a earthen vessel, okay, that is to be sterilized by a process, just boiling of water in that, or the some of the chemicals, sulfur dioxide vapors are there that are to be utilized. Okay, vapors because of which the pot earthen pot get sterilize. So in this case, you are going to take water, then honey, then jaggery. These are the agents are there that you require. Then boil that one and cool that one. Okay. After cooling, suppose we are going to prepare the amla asav. Amla asav. Okay. So in case of this one, we are going to take the amla fruit. Okay. Then cut that one particular amla fruit, then remove the seed, what is the pulp is there, that we have to be converted into the powder form, and then that one powder as well as that water, honey, jaggery, that is to be added into the fermenter vessel. Okay. Now here we are going to add the dhatuki flowers. Okay, wood fordia fruticosa. Okay, that we are going to be added. Okay, then just dig a duck into the soil. That duck is there should be covered with a grass. Okay, in that one grass or that what is the vessel is there that we are going to be put, that vessel containing your mixture. Okay, all the contents are there in case of that one vessel. Then we are going to place a lid. Then take a mud cloth. Okay, that mud cloth is there should be covered in a 7 consecutive layer. Okay, then keep it for 20 to 30 days for the fermentation process. After fermentation process, remove that one cloth. Once the fermentation process is completed, you are going to, how you came to know that fermentation process is completed? Yes, there is a smell of the alcohol is there through this one lid. Okay, so once you are getting the smell of the alcohol, that indicate that the fermentation process is completed. Then remove that one particular content, decant that one particular liquid which are to be there, and filter. Okay, so here you are getting that take a funnel, place a filter paper over there, and then filter. Okay, so you are getting that one fermented liquid. Okay, then boil this one liquid. After boiling, you are getting that one liquid. This is the simple method of the preparation of asava. Okay, so and in case of the arista, instead of that one drug powder, we are going to take the decoction of the amla, and that is to be utilized in case of this one process. And the remainder is everything is same. Means what is arista? In case of the arista, what is the powder is there that is to be replaced by the decoction of the drug. Okay, remainder is same. So these are the some of the examples are there, friends. Kumari Asava is there, then Arvinda Asav is there, Vasaka Asav, Chandana Asav. Okay, these are the drugs are there that is obtained from the particular plant material. Then next one is there, that is Arista, such as Balarista, Ashoka Arista, Dashamula Arista. These are the different preparations are there. Okay. So what is their standardization? So this is the simple method of the preparation is there. Okay. And the alcohol which is to be generated is there about 12 to 15% alcohol is generated, and the time period is 1 month to 3 month time period is there for this one. Okay. So this is the Asava and Arista. These are the flowers are there that we are going to be utilized in case of the preparation of this one. Okay. Now the standardization is there. So for standardization, we are going to see that clarity, color, odor, taste is there, whether they are to be transparent or turbid one likewise. Then odor of the alcohol is the second one parameter. Then sugar contents are there, as there is a either any other drugs sugar is there which should be there, that you have to be identify that one. Then total solid contents are there. Just evaporate that one particular drug in a way porcelain dish, and from this one take determine how much percentage of the solids are there that are present. Then the pH, specific gravity, bitterness value. If any one drug is there is having a bitterness, then a bitterness value of the drug is there. Then pesticide contain, microbial load is there per percentage of the fermenting agent. If the fermenting agent is there should be present, then how much percentage that one fermenting agent is present, that is we determine. Then refractive index, optical rotation, then chromatography such as the TLC, HPTLC, HPLC that you have to be performed. Then spectroscopy such as UV, IR, NMR, mass is there. Then physicochemical tests that you have to be performed. Okay, physicochemical tests that includes your ash value, extractive value, moisture content. Likewise, they have to be considered in case of the physicochemical tests. Then phytochemical tests such as your primary metabolites, secondary metabolites, they are to be tested in case of this one drug. Then foam test, if there is a foam, there should occur after shaking of this one asava or arista, that indicate that some of the fermenting agents are there that are to be present. Okay, so this is the one foam test. Then sour test is there. Then assays are there. Likewise, the different type of the for testings are there that are to be performed in case of this one Asava and Arista. So these are the standardizations are there. Okay, this is the simple method of the Asava and Arista of the Amla is there. Okay, so 50 gram, take the 10 gram of the drug in case of the amla fruits, asava is there. So 100 ml of the liquid is there should be taken. 10 gram of the flowers are there that are to be taken, and then 15 gram of the jaggery is there should be added, and keep it for the 3 month fermentation period there, that is a 30 to 35 degrees centigrade temperature. After 24 hours that you have to check this one, then filter this one, you are getting that one asava formulation. So these are the some of the standardization process are there. Okay, how water should be boiled in the vessel is carried out in the earthen vessel. It should not having a sour taste. It have a aromatic alcohol odor. Storage, it should be stored in a well closed stopper bottle or the jars. Store in a cool place away from the light. So these are the marketed preparation we already see. Okay. So these are the ideal properties. It should be clear one. Savarishna have no foam. Okay, it should not become sour on standing. It has the strong aromatic alcohol odor. The moderate quantity of the alcohol is there is about 12 to 15%, not more than that. Okay, sweetish with a slight acidic as well as the agreeable the odor is there. Likewise, these are the some of the properties are there. Okay, so hope all of you understand this one, Asava and Arista. Okay, thank you.